2011 economics past question number 28. It says the national income accounts. An item counted as part of government spending is A. Option A says salaries and wages. Option B says pension. Option C says scholarship. Option D says welfare. One of the methods of measuring national income of a country is the expenditure method. Expenditure methods is one of the methods of measuring national income. This method or approach calculates the total amount spent on consumption and investment. Purposes during the year. In other words, it measures the total expenditure on currently produced final goods and services by the individuals or households, firms, and governments, plus net expenditure, plus net exports, transfer payments such as pensions paid to retired workers, gifts to beggars, etc. are excluded. So, a national income account, an item counted as expenditure as part of government spending is the social welfare. Option D is the correct answer. Thank you, and please subscribe for more past questions.